love you, Leaf Metal. I love you so much. I want to hug you and squeeze you. And I want you to give me one of these sick patches. That's what I want you to do. 2017 Leaf Metal All-American Perfect Game Classic. 8 autograph cards per box. It includes metal autos and patch autos, which I hope I get. Usually you get, I think you get one of these. Hopefully I'll get a couple of those. I've had good luck with this. It's a solid product, so it's easy to have good luck with it. I mean, it's pretty tough to go wrong with it at this point. Now, in 5 years, if all of these people in this rookie class, or most of them, have bombed, then I'm not going to call this a good product at that point. But for now, while we still don't know what's going to happen, for now it's a good product. Fun to open. Alright, let me pull out my hits. Bury them. Oh, I saw a glimpse of one. Alright, let's do this. Try not to look. Alright, Blaze Alexander, who I have heard of. Yay. Kind of a nice little autograph there. I'll get it in the light. Not numbered. That's just the base card. Ooh, nice. Tristan Casas. Sweet. It's just the base again, but that's good. Again, for now. You may watch this video in 5 years and say, that stinks. Alec Thomas. Pulled a lot of his autographs out of Bowman's Best. This is numbered out of 12. I think his cards are like up and coming. I think they went up in the Beckett last month. Vinny Toasty. 5 out of 25. Purple parallel. Where are we at? Is that 4? Yep. Already halfway through. That's one of the bummers about these boxes. It goes so fast. Kendall Logan Simmons. 18 out of 25. Not familiar with that name. Then we have Jeremiah Jackson. Nice autograph, Jeremiah. Appreciate you. 15 out of 20. Pink parallel. Nolan Gorman. Very nice. Yes. This is number 2 out of 3. Cool. Good job, Leaf. I like you a lot. Alright. Last one. I glimpsed it? Is that even a word? I had a glimpse at it. I took a glimpse. What the world? Anyway, it's a patch. Let's see what it is. Ah, it's Nolan Gorman again. 3 out of 5. Look at that patch. Oh, baby. Come to mama. That is sweet. Although there's something really weird in there. There's something weird going on. Hang on. Let's check this out before I get so happy. Is that on the... What is that? Oh, it's on the... Okay. It's actually part of the material, so it's not... Wow. That is so cool. 3 out of 5. This is another solid box. Definitely one of the better boxes. Get back in the holder before I drop it. Sweet. All right. Wow. 2 out of 3 Nolan Gormans. And then we got the Tristan Casas too. Blaze Alexander, I don't think it's bad either. Wow. Okay. Cool. All right. Stare at them off camera. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Let me a little comment love below. Let me know what you think about this box. I don't know. Do you think it's one of my better ones? I'm trying to remember. You know, after you open so many boxes, it's hard to remember. But maybe you guys' memory is better than mine. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Hey, everybody. What's up? I'm just going to come out and say it. I don't know why I ignored Leaf products for as long as I did. I guess I kind of shied away because I've said before, I hate the boxes that only have a couple of cards in it. They're so risky. But Leaf kind of puts a little twist on it. On a box like this, you get 8 autographs. And they focus a lot on prospects. So it gives you a lot of potential, future potential with the cards you pull. which is not always a good thing, because we know that baseball, especially baseball, that even though somebody's like a good kid, a good player, it doesn't mean they're going to really perform well at the major league level. But anyways, I've kind of taken a liking to Leaf, and so I picked up another couple of boxes of the 17 Leaf Metal All-American Perfect Game Classic. Has 8 autographs. You can get, like, well, you see on the front, Kumar Rocker, Terang. There's a bunch of people you can get on this, a bunch of the hot rookies right now, and the price of these boxes is not bad. So with all that blubbering blabbering done, I'm going to open this box and check out my 8 autograph cards. You often get, well, I guess you always get at least like one of these patches, and these patches can be sweet. I'm talking incredible looking stuff. You can get 1-of-1s, lots of low numbered parallels. It's, I don't know, I dig it. I especially dig this particular product. Let's see if I can do this without looking at my cards. I can already see that I got another one of these. I've been pulling these, and I keep telling you guys I'm going to look into it, but I haven't. So now I've got like 4 of these. So I need to figure out what it's about. So it says something on there about this code entering you for some drawings or something. I don't know. But anyways, all right, let's look at our cards. Brandon Dieter is the first one. On card, pink parallel to 20. There's some scratches that I hope are on the, I'm assuming are on the top loader. I hope. 2 is Austin Becker. So that's 2 players that I've heard of, which is a good thing because I don't know all the prospects. This one should not be numbered. Nope. Tis not. 3 is, ooh, Jordan Groshans. Yeah. Oh, 8 of 9 too. A lot of people like this kid. So this is a good pull, especially being numbered out of 9. Sweet. So far so good. That's 3 decent cards that I think. Preston Hartzell, who I have heard of, but I'm not sure that people are so high on this one. I just heard this name. So the blue is numbered out of 30. These are good looking cards too. That's another reason I like them. They are so sweet. Number 5 is a purple John Malcolm, who I have not heard of. Purple's numbered out of 25. I've definitely been using this and looking up the these players and like seeing where they're at, who they signed with, if they've already signed, if they're committed to a college. I've been looking up a lot of stuff, probably too much because now it's all like jumbled in my brain. Alright, next up, oh yes baby, Jared Kalenic, yes, yes, yes. Although I'm really sad he got traded. This is out of 20. This is a good box. This is so far a really, really solid box. Where are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 2 more. Hopefully one of them will be a patch. Let's see. This one is Ethan Hankins. Don't know much about him. This is just a base autograph. Ethan Hankins. And last one, it feels thick. It is a Mason Denneberg. Look at those patches. This is number 8 of 9. Look how cool that is. Wow, that looks good. And I have heard of Mason Denneberg, so that's probably good too. Yeah, I really, really dig this stuff. It's really cool. The more I get into prospecting, the more I like it too. So, yeah, you can't beat that. That's really cool. I guess it'd be better if it was numbered lower than 9, but that's still pretty sweet. So let's look back. Hankins, John Malcolm, Preston Hartzell, Groshans to 9, Austin Becker, Brandon Dieter, and Jared Kalenic. Another good box. I've got one more of these, so watch for me to open that for you guys very, very soon. I'll have that posted for you. That's it. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourself. I'll see you again soon. Hey kids, what's going on? Got some more 17 leaf metal perfect game All-American Classic. Woo, that's a mouthful, isn't it? 8 autographs. I love this stuff. I said it in my last video. I'll say it again. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's all prospects, some low numbered autographs, all, not all, most all on card. Sometimes when you get this patch, I've noticed it'll be a sticker auto sometimes, which is not cool because you're getting that patch and you're all happy about your patch, and then it's got a sticker auto. It kind of detracts from it a little bit, but most of the cards are on card, and often the patch will be on card too, but sometimes it's not. So just keep that in mind if you're planning on buying this. Let me try not to cut my hand open. Alright, let's see if I can get my cards out without looking at them like I often do. Come on. Oy. Okay. Like I said, 8 cards. Let's get to it. Numero uno is Austin Wells. Don't know who he's with, but I have definitely heard of him. That's a blue on card auto parallel number 230. I don't like the look of the backs of these cards, but I really do like the little scan. I've used it a ton. I didn't think I would when I first saw it, but I have, so that's that. Austin Wells. 2 is Mason Denneberg. He was in my other box. I opened another box of this, which you have already seen. Remember, he was the patch at the end, numbered to 9. This is the base, so it's not numbered. It's got a good signature though, and I like that he included his number down there. So that's cool. 3 is Mike. I can't read that. Vassal? No. Yeah. Either Vassal or Vasile. It's number 2 out of 3. Super short print, so I wish it was somebody I'd heard of, but I gotta admit I haven't. I'll look him up though and see what's going on with Mike. Mikey baby, this is like the red wave something or other parallel. Number 3 is a Nick Decker Black. That's a good card. Numbered out of 15. Happy about this one. Good. Good. Sound like a caveman. Card good. Box good. Eat food. Nick Decker. Good. That's the, where are we at? 4? Okay, halfway through. Number 5 is another Mason Denneberg. I hope Mason Denneberg has a bright future because I've got a lot of his cards now. This is numbered out of 20. Okay, I have enough Mason Denneberg leaf. You can cool your jets. Next up is Kendall Logan Simmons. Don't know much about him. I've pulled a couple of his autographs. Can't remember if I sold them or if I still have them. Anyways, Kendall Logan Simmons. So far this box is definitely weaker than the last one, but maybe it'll finish strong. Nolan Gorman, that's very good. So yep, I guess I'm right. That's numbered out of 30. So yeah, this is good. This is really good. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous card. Alright, last one. Looks like we did get a patch. Who is it? It is Connor Scott. Number 2 out of 9. Like the last box, it's like the pink parallel, numbered out of 9. And again, it has a really good patch. Just a solid, solid patch. This is, I'm trying to see, is that a I think that's a sticker auto on this one. Hang on, I'll tell you. Yep. This one has a sticker auto. I'm not sure why they did that on these. Maybe because of the production. Maybe they had to put these together first, or just didn't want them beat up when they got signed, or I don't know. But anyways, you'll see a lot of these patches have sticker autos. So I'm gonna say this is not as good as my last box, but it's still, that Nolan Gorman's good for sure. Nick Decker. I wish I knew this guy, but I don't. I don't know about Denneberg. I've heard of Austin Wells. I hope Denneberg's good, because now I have a ton of his autographs. So well, that's it. A box of 17 Leaf Perfect Game. These are a really, really good value. Yeah, I can't really say enough about the value they are for the money. You can easily get one of these cards, easily can go on eBay for well more than the price of the box. So there's a lot of value to be had in these, even though they're only 8 cards. So that's it. That's all I get to say about that. Everybody, I hope you're doing well. I've got a lot of stuff coming up that I'm going to break for you. So if you haven't already, now's the time to subscribe. You'll be glad that you did, and if you're not, you can always unsubscribe. So there's that. Everybody, take care. I'll see you again soon.